In recent years, international crises, the pandemic, and the ecological emergency have brought the term resilience to the forefront of discussions. For organizations, resilience is often equated with the ability to bounce back, an approach rooted in the Latin origins of the concept. It is seen as synonymous with returning to balance after a disruption. Disruptions can be external, events occurring in the environment, but also internal, for example, due to a management error. And the facets of resilience are numerous. According to Ovens, a resilient organization is able to recover from failures, adapt to changes, and continue to face adversity. Here we see that the issue of bouncing back is less central, and indeed, recent research tends to view resilience as a complex and gradual process. First of all, organizations anticipate. They identify risks and implement the necessary assessments and initiatives to counter them. Then, when faced with an event, several successive or simultaneous steps are put in place. In the very short term, the organization reacts, becomes more flexible, and adapts to the new situation. And in the medium term, it tries to recover damaged, lost, or impaired resources in order to better restore its structure. Finally, after the disruption, the organization adapts its governance, management, and resources. It once again seeks prosperity and transforms itself. In general, 5 organizational dimensions are prioritized in the resilience process: human resources, financial resources, daily operations, management and leadership, and finally, the organizational community. But these dimensions are not just a collection of best practices to adopt. Each organization has its own mechanisms and faces significant contingencies. A resilient organization is also able, before, during, and after a crisis, to manage its dependencies on stakeholders. The stronger the dependency and the more global the crisis, the higher the risk of a vicious circle. Resilience is therefore not just a matter of strategy. It also relies on sound governance that is deeply embedded in the management of dependencies, connections with the local area, and relationships with the community that surrounds it. An organization cannot be resilient if, around it, its partners and society remain unaffected.